Hi everyone, I have Clay here with me from TotalTek. I'm excited to talk to him today. Clay, thanks so much for joining me.
Absolutely, it's a pleasure.
So first off, I know you've been around the show all day today. You've probably seen a lot of different solutions, and I know at your office, I'm sure you're using a lot of different tools, having to manage a lot of different information. Is that something you're struggling with?
At this moment, actually no. We're utilizing a lot of the different design softwares, being seen here. Love to see the competition throughout, and a lot of the colleagues we're working with, throughout the industry. But as far as utilizing technology, we stick with ShipConstructor. We do venture out, to other design softwares. However, we go with the most user-friendly. It's easy to teach. It's easy to, show to other customers. The presentation, be able to export files such as DXS files, and all the above to clients. It makes it all well.
Yeah, you must, seeing walking around the show again, are there any kind of innovations you've picked up on? Have you seen anything that caught your eye?
Actually, yeah, there's a couple of them. I love the, basically you have these goggles and everything. You can go into the engine rooms and stuff and pre-plan the production side of things. Type of the, what's called VR, I believe it is.
Yeah, so you're seeing it in VR, you're in there, and it's like you're able to show it off before it's actually built.
Yep, and that was one that really caught my eye today.
Cool. Well, do you have any ideas about how you could implement that in your workflows? Or?
Absolutely. So when you start going to even the repair side, when you got ships that go overseas, they get damaged either in Cat 1, Cat 2, whatever. They've sustained hull damage or internal damage to their engines or any kind of systems, really. And you kind of go in there, pre-program what you're going to look at. You can actually have guys that don't actually know how to utilize, such as your tools, how to tear an engine apart, get back into it, and fix it. You can pre-plan all of that in together, and yeah.
Awesome. I know even the reality capture side of that too will be a big piece, capturing it as in service type information and putting it into that VR environment will definitely be interesting.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I know there's a lot of laser scanning and things like that going on.
Absolutely. We're looking forward to moving in that type of direction. Technology keeps advancing every year and year, and it's exciting to see.
So that technology that's advancing, do you guys have any kind of digital transformation strategy, or how do you think about these new tools?
So as problems arise, you have to think about it in a kind of a situational type thing. Whether it's repair, new construction, there's a lot of great things, especially laser scanning and stuff. Being able to utilize that, take pictures in the yard, send somebody to a yard, scan the whole room, and then take it back to the office without actually having to spend the money and time to send a team there and assess situations.
So you must be looking at kind of here's the challenge we have. What's the quickest way to get a return on that and implement something that's actually valuable rather than just vanity, so to say?
Yeah. So you assess the time, cost, what it's going to take to. You got the human error inside, what it takes to send the people out to actually do the work, and then versus bringing it in-house and doing it to a digital side where you don't actually have a group of people versus just, you have one person, one machine, sets it up, brings it back, and you look at the cost effect of that and the bringbacks. So.
Do you have any trouble with people kind of not ready to embrace this new stuff, this new technology?
Some of the smaller yards, yes. However, majority of the yards are starting to come to the 21st century, and push through it. So.
Yeah, so you're seeing that transition kind of change, and people are more and more open to trying that.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks so much, Clay.
Absolutely.
It was great talking to you and learning a little bit about your views on innovation.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you for your time.